Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to log out all devices on Discord. Maybe you have lost your phone or you just want to protect your account security. So today I am going to show you how to log out all devices on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. On this user settings page, tap on devices. In this page, you will now see all the devices where your Discord account is currently logged in. Now, to log out of all devices, you simply need to tap on this log out all known devices option. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your password to log out all devices. Once you are done typing in your password, tap on this next button, and after that, you will now be logged out from all devices, and you need to log in again on any device you want to use. It is important to note that logging out of all devices will also log you out from the desktop application and any other device you have logged in, so make sure to save any important work before doing this. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out all devices on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out all devices on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.